Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another large mystery box from Sweetwater Decor to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So not too long ago, I showed you a video of a large mystery box that I got, and I even got like a imperfect, I think it was like 4 set of candles or something like that. And afterwards, I kept a lot of the candles for myself, and then a lot of the mugs and all of that stuff I used as gifts. So now that I've had time to actually burn the candles, they smell phenomenal. So I'm like, you know what? I'm kind of thinking of getting another mystery box. And I was thinking about it, and then one of you guys wrote on my video, and I was like, you know, I'm thinking about getting another one. And I did. I did. So I got another large mystery box. These are still available, so I wanted to snag it. There are a few different sizes, so if you didn't see my last video, they have a small box, $39.99 with a $100 retail value. The medium is $59.99 with a $140 value, and this large is $99.99 with a $215 value. Again, it's all a mystery. Last mystery box, the only thing I didn't agree with was the 2 different items, 1 candle and 1 mug that said you're engaged. If it was a holiday, that's fine. But an occasion, I just didn't really care for that one, because I don't celebrate people's engagements. If they get married, that's another story. So now I have those 2. I think that you're engaged, I took the label off because that candle smelled so good. So I just took the label off, and I'm gonna burn that one myself. So I have to do something with that little cup, but I'll figure something to do with that. So I'm hoping to have holiday stuff and not occasion stuff, if that makes sense. Let's go ahead and dive in and take a look and see what is going to be now in this new mystery box. But again, I'm so excited to get more candles, and if there is seasonal stuff like Christmas, Thanksgiving, fall, whichever, I can save those to go for gifts at the end of this year now. So I'm really excited. When you first open it up, it's all packaged down inside. All this paper. Okay, removing all the paper, that is what it looks like inside. And again, I'm so excited. So let me go ahead and just start with these things that I can see here. Is this another one of those like little table runner things? This one says Turkish hand towel multi-stripes. And then this one doesn't say anything. So let me open this. So this one says it's a Turkish, no. I was like, dang, that's a big towel, but no, it's not. There's a standard size like towel right there. It says Sweetwater Decor. I really like the colors. That's the white and black. And I like that it's gonna match that. Let me see what this is, because I might have 2. But I know it's gonna match that thing that I got the last box, which was kind of like a runner, I guess it was. Let's see what this one here is. I think this is the exact same thing that I got the last time for the runner. It's just like this little, I don't know if it's really a runner or it's just a tabletop cover because it didn't say the last time and it doesn't say it this time either. But again, I do like that these at least match, so I could use them together if I wanted to. So there's the first 2 items. Next, that's not in a box, it says Candle Care Kit, Silver Care Kit. In here, is it like to take care of silver? Silver Care Kit? I don't know. Oh no, it's a silver candle. I have a black set just like this, so I'll probably save this as a gift, and if there's a candle that I'm gonna gift, I can put this with it, because that would be a perfect combination to go to somebody, because I already have these. So you have like this little guy, you have the little snuffer outer, and then you have the wax wick scissors, so you can trim the wick. Again, I have an all black set that I use quite often. I like to normally use my lamp that heats my candles versus actually burning them. So the wick part doesn't really matter to me. Once it gets to a certain point, I just pull the whole thing out anyways. But I will definitely put this with a candle some kind of a candle if there's one in here, or I'll get a candle for the end of the year and give it to somebody as a gift and give this to them as well. But that is a really cool kit. And if I didn't already have one, I would definitely use it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with some of these boxes. Ooh, all right, we have a mug. Okay, so I see a really, really gold handle. And if you follow me, I'm not into gold, I'm more silver. And I have so many mugs. I just got a new one too, so now I'm maxed out with mugs. But this one is really cute because it says fa la 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 all around it. So I can use this as a gift at the end of the year, and I could put like coffee or tea or hot chocolate or something like that in there. That would be really, really cute. It is a really cute mug though. Again, I just wish that handle was like black or silver. But yeah, that is really, really cute. I cannot wait to use that as a gift at the end of the year because that's a really nice, and it's a large size mug too. Okay, so this one here is, we have another mug. This one, however, must be kind of like for Valentine's Day then, because it says love you. Let me move the box out of my way. So it just says love you. Maybe I'll use that for like one of our moms for like a Valentine's Day gift and put like some candy or some little cozy socks or something like that in there. That would be really cute. So I will definitely use this as a gift. So 2 mugs. Let's keep on going. Okay, so now we have a candle. It says stress relief. Ooh, whew. I was thinking because stress is normally lavender, but it says lemon, eucalyptus, spearmint, woods. So no lavender, thankfully. Ooh, that does smell like spa-like zen, just really, really nice. I like that. I could smell the lemon and the eucalyptus together, like a little woodsy. So yeah, I like that. So 1 candle so far for me. Let's go ahead and open up this box. It's kind of heavy. It's getting kind of heavy. Ooh, we have 3 candles inside of this box, you guys. 3 right there. So I'll start with the one in the middle. It says Spa Day, number 37. And oh, that does smell really good. That does smell really good. I don't know if there's lavender in this one because of the spa. I'll have to check online and to see, or if it has like the notes on the bottom or something like that, because it doesn't really say, but it does smell really nice. Ooh, we have gingerbread spice. This would be a good one to save and give it as a gift. Or nope, I think I'm gonna save that, and when fall season comes around, I'm gonna burn this one because that smells really, really good. So gingerbread spice, hot cocoa and peppermint. Peppermint, cocoa, balsamic, and vanilla. I did get one of these in the last mystery box and it smelled so good. This one, however, I think what I'm gonna do is save this to go with this, to go as a gift at the end of the year. So I think that's what I'll do with that, is save it so it can go with that candle care kit. Okay, so now let's go with this box. We have another candle. Ooh, fresh coffee. This is not going anywhere but near my coffee station. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells so good. Fresh coffee, roasted beans, sugar, and brandy. And this kind of doesn't look white. It kind of looks like it's a light gray, kind of like a beige color. That is really, really pretty. So fresh coffee, and this is, all of them have been a 1 wick. I normally show that, but I'm just so excited and I didn't show you the inside of that. So yes, fresh coffee. Okay, so there's 2. Actually, I'm keeping the stress relief, the gingerbread and spice, the fresh coffee, and maybe the spa day, depending on if there is lavender in there. So yes, I'm stocking up my candle collection again because man, these smell so good. And they smell down to the very, very bottom because again, I do my candlelight. So after so many times of burning with the light, I'll dump it out when you don't really smell it as much, and then it'll start burning the next layer. So everything all the way down to the very bottom, it smells so good. So that's why I'm like, I gotta get some more. I gotta get some more. This is the smell of Christmas. Cut fresh trees, orange and clove. Ooh, that does smell good. So I could use this one or maybe both of them. I could use as gifts at the end of the year. So that's awesome. So we have 2 wintry scented ones. So one thing left in here. Good thing it didn't fall on Vienna. It came right next to her bed, but it didn't hit her, thankfully. She would have a rude awakening. She's laying sleeping peaceful and a box of boxes just towers right next to her. Matches. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have never seen a thing of matches so big. And it has, I think that's to light it. And right here too, it says strike match here. Caution. So you have a strike there to light it or at the bottom. But look at all of these matches, you guys. That, I smell it. It's not a candle, Tracy. Oh my goodness. I love that. I have so many like small little ones, and matches are great to have because when power goes out for hurricanes, storms, that kind of thing, we always have candles around for that. So some candles that I've got that just don't really smell very good or are almost empty, we have them like in this little stash section. So anytime the power's out, we bust all those out, we light them all. And so matches are always good to have. And I've never seen it this big before, so that's awesome. So I'm definitely keeping this right here. So that is everything for the new, now today's large mystery box. Again, they're all a mystery, so they're all going to be different. But I have this large and in charge matches container with 2 different strikes. I love that. Candles, we have Christmas scent, hot cocoa and peppermint. We have spa day, fresh coffee. I'm so excited for that one. And it's a large one. Gingerbread and spice and stress relief. Then we have the candle care kit that's all silver, which that's awesome because it's always great if you do burn them to cut the wick. So that's amazing to have. You have the love you mug. You have the la 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 la. And then you have the towel and I guess a runner or a table cover, whichever you want to call that other one. And so that is everything for this mystery box. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for this box. I'm so glad that I got another one, and I'm so glad nothing says anything about an engagement, a party, a wedding, or anything like that. They're seasonal, not occasional, and I love that. And plus, this is like for upcoming for Valentine's Day, I would think. So that's great that that's in there. Plus, we have the fall and the winter scents with these other ones like spa, surreal, just calming, fresh coffee. Gotta love it. So I'm super, super excited. I really like this box so much more than my last box. But again, that's all about a mystery. So I'm so glad that I got another one. You guys let me know down below. Did you watch my other one? Which one did you like better? Did you like my first box or do you like this box? Comment down below. I would love to hear from you and love to know what you have to say. If you would like to check them out, I will have Sweetwater Decor listed in the description box. You can go take a look at all of their different products. Tons and tons of candles and goodies and home decor. They have the mystery boxes still. They still have the imperfect mystery candle bundles of different ones. If you would like to check that out, just go to their search, write mystery, and you will see both of them right then and there. Super easy to find and navigate that way. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. All right, you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I do so many different types of videos. So if one comes up that you're not interested in, go ahead and pass it until you see one that you do. That simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.